we are discussing how to convert a language into grammar. So this is very important for GATE, NET and semester exam. So to convert a language into grammar, so first of all we will try to find out minimum length string. So minimum length string which is possible to generate from this language is, that will be 0, 1, because the n value it is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 in that way. So minimum value of the n, as it is n greater than 0, so n it is 1, 2, 3, 4 in that way. So as the n value is equal to 1, so the string will be 0 to the power 1, 1 to the power 1. That will be 0, 1. So the set of strings which is possible to generate from this language will be 0, 1, 0 square, 1 square, 0 cube, 1 cube, 0 to the power 4, 1 to the power 4 in that way. So as per the feature of this language, n is equal to 0 to the power n and 1 to the power n, whereas n greater than 0. So then number of 0 and number of 1 will be equal, as the power of 0 and power of 1 are equal. So first of all, to find out the grammar, so we need to construct the production set. So production set P, that is equal to, so we'll start from the variable s. So here just you observe 0, 1, it is a string. You need to insert 0, 1 to get 0 square, 1 square. Again you need to insert 0, 1, then we'll get 0 cube, 1 cube. So there will be a position in between 0 and 1, and recursively it need to be substituted by 0, 1. So that's why the production we can write s is implied to 0 s1. By this it will increase the number of 0 and number of 1, and it should be equal number of 0 and equal number of 1. And as the minimum length string, that is 0, 1, so it should be 0, 1, 0, 1. So just you see, s is implied to 0, 1, we will get that least length string. To find out 0 square, 1 square, what we need to do it? So s is implied to 0 s1, s it is substituted by 0, 1. So 0, then s it is substituted by 0, 1, then 1, it will be 0 square, 1 square. Okay. So for the next case, if you want to make that is 0 cube, 1 cube, so s is implied to 0 s1. This s it is need to be substituted by production, s is implied to 0 s1. So 0, 0 s1, 1. s it is substituted by 0 s1. Now as it is substitute by 0 1. So 0 0, next S it will be substituted by 0 1, next 1 and 1 as it is. So it will be 0q 1q. So in that way it is possible to generate all string of the language. L is equal to 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, whereas n greater than 0. So this will be the production set. So then what will be the grammar? The grammar corresponding to this language, that is G, is equal to VTPS. What is this? This is VTPS. So just to tell me what is V and what is T and what is P and what is S. So V is the set of variables. So what variables are used? So then that is only S. T, finite non-empty set of terminal. Here that is 0 and 1. Production set P, that is S is implied to 0S1 or 01, and S is the starting symbol or starting variable, that is S. So this will be the grammar corresponding to this language. So grammar G is equal to VTPS where V is equal to S, T is 0 1, P is equal to S is implies to 0 S1 or 0 1, and S it is equal to S as the starting symbol or variable is S. So we will go for that next example. So construct a grammar of the following language. L is equal to A to the power m, B to the power n, C to the power n, whereas m n greater than 0. So first of all we will try to find out the minimum length string. The minimum length string, that is equal to ABC, as the m it is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 in that way, and n value is also greater than 0. That means the value of n, so it will be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in that way. So minimum value for m and n, that should be 1. So a to the power 1, b to the power 1, c to the power 1, that will be ABC. The set of strings, so which are possible to generate from the language, that is L is equal to A to the power m, B to the power n, C to the power n, whereas m n greater than 0. This will be equal to A B C, A B square C square, A square B Q C Q. So in that way the different string it can produce. So what are the features of this language? So here you just see that first of all A it will be placed, then all B, then all C. But number of B and number of C should be equal, as the power of B and C, so that is n. So here is the two part of this language. One part to produce the number of A. So we will generate the number of A using the variable that is supposed to be A. Next part is that we need to produce, that is BC. So B and C. So in this particular case, just you see, so number of B and number of C should be equal. To generate the B and C, we will consider that is the variable B. So we try to find out the production set. Production set, that is P. That will be what? So AC is implies to AB. A will increase the number of A. So A, it will produce, that is A. To increase the number of A, so recursively it need to be substitute. A is implies to small a capital A. So A is implies to small a capital A. Using this production, so number of A you can increase. And next part, to produce number of B and number of C. So B, it is implies to small b and c. So that will be least number of b and least number of c. But how to increase the number of b and number of c? But in this case, the number of b should be equal to the number of c. So for this case, so then production should be b is implied to small b, capital B, small c. So b will be substituted by b, small b, capital B, c to increase the number of b and c. So how to generate the different string? So to generate ABC, you just see. So AC is implies to AB. A, it is A, and B, it will be substituted by BC. So here the production it is used. A is implies to A and B is implies to BC. So next is that suppose we need to produce this string. How it is possible to generate? Just here you see AC is implies to AB. So A, the number of A, that is the two number of A's, AA. So A should be substituted by small a, capital A. We use this production. And then B. Next it will be, so A it will be substituted by A and then B. So here it is A square B. Fine. Next thing it will be A square. We need to produce BQ CQ. So B is implied to small b, capital BC. And next A square. So this will be B. And B will be again substituted by small b, capital BC and C. Now the capital B, it will be substituted by BC. So A square, BB, BC, then CC. So it will be A square, BQ, CQ. In that way, so all string it is possible to generate. So with the help of this production, we will able to generate the all string of the language. So now what will be the grammar corresponding to this language? The grammar G is equal to VTPS, where V is the set of variables. Here that variable are used S, A, B. And next, terminal. Set of terminal. Here this is small a, small b and small c. The production set P. This is S is implies to capital A, capital B. A is implies to small a, capital A or A. B is implies to small b, capital B, small c or BC. This will be the production set. Next, the starting symbol or variable, that will be S, because the S is the starting symbol of the production. So this will be the grammar corresponding to this language. So we will go for that next example. We need to construct grammar corresponding to this language. L is equal to A to the power m, B to the power n, C to the power n, D to the power m, where m n greater than 0. So the minimum length string that will be A, B, C, D. So then as the value of m, so m value is greater than 0, that means the value of m will be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in that way. The n value is also greater than 0, so n value it will be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in that way. So minimum value of m and n, that is 1. So A to the power 1, B to the power 1, C to the power 1, D to the power 1, that is A, B, C, D. That will be the minimum length string. The set of string so that will be A, B, C, D. Next, that will be A, B square, C square, D, or it might be A square, B, C, D square. So AQ, B square, C square, DQ. In that way, the different string will be generated. Here you just see. So number of A's and number of D's are equal. Number of B's and number of C's are equal. So in this particular case, the technique should be, we will generate the number of A and number of D first. That is A and D. Number of A and number of D, it will generate first. Then, so if there is 1A, 1D, so then you write 1A, 1D. Or if it is need to generate A square, D square, so then A, then DD. in that way. So in that way we will, that is AD, we need to generate the number of A and number of D's. Next we need to insert, that is BC. So as per our requirement, if there is BQCQ, then 3 times we need to insert, that is BC, then again you need to insert BC. Okay. So first of all we try to find out the production set. So production set, that is P, that will be equal to, the S is implies to small a, capital A, small d, and we need to increase the number of A's and number of D's. How we able to do it? That is A need to substitute by A, capital AD. Using this we can increase the number of AD, but always the number of A and D will be equal. But next thing, we need to insert BC in between A's and D's. So A we are changing to B. Now the B, it will produce the number of B's and number of C. So B, capital B, small c. Okay. Or, so as per the list length of the string, that might be BC. BC. Just you see here. So this will be the production set. S is implies to small a, capital AD, and A is implies to small a, capital AD. Capital A to B, that is B is implies to small b, capital B, small c, or BC. So first of all, we will insert AD in between AD. So as per the requirement of the number of A's and number of D's, then A is need to change to another variable B, and B is implies to small b, capital B, small c, or BC. So then grammar G, that is BTPS, where B is a set of variables, that is S, A, B. There the variable are used. T is non-empty set of terminal, that is A, B, C, D. P, production set, that is S is implied to small a, capital AD, and A is implied to small a, capital AD, A is implied to B, and B is implied to small b, capital BC, or BC. So next, that is S is a starting variable here, the S is used. So this will be the grammar corresponding to this language. L is equal to A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power n, D to the power m, whereas m will greater than 0. So we will go for the next example. Construct a grammar of the following language. L is equal to A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power n, whereas n greater than 0. So n value greater than 0. So then n it may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in that way. So set of string that will be ABC as a minimum value of n that is equal to 1. So minimum length string that will be ABC. Next it will be a square, b square, c square, AQ, BQ, CQ in that way. So first of all we will try to find out the production set. So set of production, that is P, is equal to S is implied 2, that is A, B, C. So B will change to small b and C will be changed to small c, then we will get ABC. But how to increase the number of A and number of B and number of C? For this case, we can write S is implied to A, S, B, C. So just to see, to produce this particular string AQ, BQ, CQ. So S is implied to AS, BC. S is implied to ASBC again. A, S is implied to A, SBC. So ASBC and then BC as it is. Now the AQ, BQ and CQ. So in that case the A series need to substitute by ABC. AA, then A, BC, BC, BC. So here you just see, for this production we need to place all the B together and all the C together. For this case we need to change the position of CB. So here it need to change, that is CB to BC. So by this production we can write AAA, B, this CB will be BC, then CB, C. Now this CB it is need to change AAA, then BB, then this will be C and this will be BC and this is C. Next this CB it is need to change to BC, AAA, BB, then this CB to BC, CC. Now this A and B it is need to change small a, small b. With the help of this production, A, B to small a, small b. This is AA, AB. Now this small b, capital B to BB. So you can write AA, BB. With the help of this production, you can write now we need to change this small b, C. This small b, capital C to small b, small c. We can write AAA, BBB. then this C, BC will be changes into BC. Then this capital C will be there. This small c capital C will be changes to small c. This is A, B, B, C. This is C, capital C. Then this will be A. So then C. So in that way we can generate AQ, BQ, CQ. That's it. So actually, why it is required this AB to small a, small b? Why this small b capital C to BC, small b, small c? Because if we write this B to B and if it is changed to B to B, then it will be problem to place the all B together. And if all the C changes to C, capital C to small c, then also if it is changes or this changes to small c, then it will be problem to place all C together to the right hand side. So that's why we will write, that is small a capital B to small a small b, small b capital B to small b in that way. So what is the grammar corresponding to this language? So grammar corresponding to this language G is equal to VTPS, where B are the variable. Here this is S, B and C are used. Production set P, that is S is implied to small a SBC or ABC. Next is that CB to BC, small a B to AB. So small b capital B to BB, capital C to BC, and small c capital C to CC. These are the production set. And starting symbol, that is S, it is S here. That is S. So this will be the grammar corresponding to the language L is equal to A to the power n, B to the power n, C to the power n, where n greater than 0. So in that way we can able to convert grammar from the language. So there may be the different language, but we can able to generate the grammar corresponding to the different language. So today up to this. Next we will discuss the different type of the grammar, that is type 3, type 2, type 1, type 0. So this class is regarding how convert language into grammar. So if you like this channel, so you subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification when the new video will be uploaded. Thank you.